9th? Is that what it is?
Oh,
June 9th, 2022.
yeah.
Oh boy. The cement for our firewood.
And there's the man doing all the work apparently.
I had to call it a professional.
Yep.
Like I was telling Rio,
Uh-huh.
I was about 5 or 6 years old where I grew up the house.
Whoa! I didn't realize.
Told you not to eat that extra burrito this morning.
I guess so. I guess me and this concrete down here giving me 100 more pounds didn't help. That was crazy.
Was that fun?
It was interesting.
That was funny.
It'll teach
We didn't
me
get that on the video, did we?
to thank the Lord not.
Yep,
Nick,
Mrs.
did
Young's
you go for a ride?
Mrs. Young's put her butt on the end of the trailer and whoop, down she went.
Yeah, whoop, there it is.
I was telling my dad, or telling Will, when they poured the basement from the house, that rain kept catching.
Oh,
So he takes it off approximately 6 foot from the west, go back to the east about 6 foot, and about 6 foot down is his wedding ring.
oh no.
He took it off, laid it down, we poured cement over it.
Uh-oh. He didn't want to wear it anymore.
I'd like to see somebody find it. It'd be a hell of a job, busting up cement to find it.
Don't look too bad so far.
You have to keep wetting it or something?
No, I just don't want it to end up getting too dry.
Isn't there something you're supposed to spray on it when you're done?
They do have a chemical you can spray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you do it on yours?
Huh?
Did you do it on yours?
Where?
On whatever you've done before?
Years ago they never used it.
Oh.
But now,
Back in his day, they didn't have it yet.
that's right. But Jonathan, my son,
Uh-huh.
when he pours cement, people, he'll ask them if they want it or if they don't want it.
Oh.
You can have it or you don't need it. It's kind of like a barrier.
It
You
keeps
spray over
water
the top.
from penetrating?
Pardon?
It keeps water from penetrating?
More or less. Now the woman, we went over and poured her off the side of her house.
Uh-huh.
Come off the side of her house. I forget how long it was, but we come off the side of the house 25 feet. The full length of the side of her house.
Yeah.
And got it all poured and Jonathan used what they call broom it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And got ready to trowel it down to make it good and smooth. She said, leave it alone. Leave it bloom. I don't want no more done to it.
Oh.
We poured the outside edge wall. Should have had the 2x4 there. Put a 2x6 then dug along that 2x6 so the cement mountain went deeper. It was deeper along the edge.
Well, I don't know nothing about the process of cementing, so I have to go with no comments. Just watched a YouTube video.
I don't know if there's any place you can rent a cement mixer anymore or not.
I was
Huh.
wondering about the. I saw a place that does rentals in Big Rapids. I never called them, but then when we go into Mount Pleasant,
Yeah.
I was telling her that there's that place on the left, just past McDonald's, that has a bunch of rental stuff.
Oh, okay.
And I was wondering if maybe they would have them. Cause I'm gonna check into it next time. When I get ready to do that over there, I'm gonna look into getting a mixer. 'Cause this is pretty tough on an old guys.
The old folk.
How much do you want me to videotape?
Well, you're good.
Okay.